Hello kids, in English learning today we are going to take up the next topic and today it is the sound of trigraph. G-H-T. Trigraph is 3 letters when make single sound, 3 letters when make one sound. It is trigraph, as digraph has 2 letters with one sound, and in trigraph it is 3 letters like G-H-T, and the sound of G-H-T together will be a T. T. So let's start to write the first word. The first word is put R capital I G H T. Right. Right. Here black symbol indicates right side and green symbol indicates correct thing. Capital I G H T. Night. Night. This is picture of night time. Next word is starting with F capital, first sound F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Kids are fighting. This is bad thing. Never fight. Next word starting with S capital, S-I-G-H-T. Sight. Here you must be observing that G, sound of G is silent. Sight. Fight. Night. Right. This picture symbolizes sight, to see. Starting with T sound, I, G, H, T gives tight. Sound of this word is tight. This man is in pain. His shoes are tight. The next word will start with E sound, E, F, I, G, H, T. 8. 8 is a number. There are 8 gift packs in this picture. 8 fingers are open. Next word starting with B capital, R together gives br sound, I, G, H, T. Bright. Bright. This picture shows sun is shining bright. Next word starting with L capital, L-I-G-H-T. Light. Bulb gives us light. Starting from S-T-R, together gives str sound, A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Straight. These lines are straight. And the road is straight. Starting from F capital, next word we have is FL together gives F fl sound, I, G, H, T. Makes the word flight. Flight. An aeroplane is taking flight. Word we have is starting with B, B sound, O, U, G, H, T. Bought. Bought. In this picture, boy bought a toy and the woman bought red shoes. The same manner, starting from the center, next line to be completed in the neat way. Write all the words once again. Thank you.